Welcome to our channel. If you received a Bank of America ReliaCard and need to activate it by phone, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Locate the toll-free activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your ReliaCard or in the accompanying instructions. Step 2. Call the activation number from your mobile or landline phone. Step 3. When prompted, select your preferred language for the activation process. Step 4. Follow the automated voice prompts and enter your 16-digit ReliaCard number using your phone's keypad. Step 5. You will be asked to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number or other identifying information for verification purposes. Step 6. Create a personal identification number, PIN, when prompted. This PIN will be used for ATM withdrawals and in-store purchases. Step 7. Listen to the confirmation message indicating that your ReliaCard has been successfully activated. Step 8. Your Bank of America. ReliaCard is now active and ready to use. You can use it for purchases, cash withdrawals at ATMs, and online transactions. Keep your card and PIN secure and monitor your balance regularly through the Bank of America ReliaCard website or mobile app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.